Okay guys, welcome to Hanoi, Vietnam. In this video, we are doing a tour of the Hoa Lo Prison. This place was first used by the French for political prisoners and later by the North Vietnamese for American POWs during the Vietnam War, which in Vietnam is known as the American War. It was the American POWs who gave it the name Hanoi Hilton. The prison itself was demolished during the 90s, but a small section was saved and turned into a museum, and that's what we're actually looking at. Most of this place is gone. A whole lot of evil has happened here over the years, and I got a very strange feeling just standing outside the gate. Evil lived here. And I had the exact same feeling when I was at Hellfire Pass in Thailand. Evil lived there. It's very, very strange, hard to explain. Okay, let's go take a look around. This place will give you the creeps, let me tell you. Few pictures, old stuff. The tour goes this way. It's really dark in here. That's a set of doors, huh? Look at that. Bowls made of coconut shells. Unbelievable. They made sure nobody was leaving. Two-man toilets. Glory. I know this is not very good because the lighting is bad, but look at this, you know. Amazing. Wow. Welcome to the hall. I think that's about it, but look what's around it now. I don't know if that's an apartment or a hotel, but it's big. And it's good that they kept this little bit of history here. Not many buildings around here, that's for sure. Picture could say 1,000 words. That one says more. And the tourist stuff. Definitely not that much in here. Trying to get out, huh? Escape and hit the steel bar through the sewer system. The guillotine. Amazing, huh? Yeah, that's where her head went. Keeps going, there's more and more all the time. Two-man prison. Two-man room. Amazing in a bad way. That's the brickwork. Oh, I didn't notice that. You couldn't even move around inside the room. Wow. You can sit up and lay down flat, that's it. Holy wow. Another room, lots in here too. There's a whole bunch of these empty rooms here. Imagine that. What this is like when it's full of people. One of the second floor rooms. I don't know what was there originally, but now it's just walls of names. So many names. Oh, that's it, guys. I don't know how much of it is left from the original. Probably not a lot. You can see quite a bit of stuff though. Pretty amazing place. And just the feeling you get from being in a place that so much evil happens is unreal. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.